Welcome to the sample course on scenario-based learning. In this course, you'll be placed in real-world situations where you will make decisions, solve problems, and apply the knowledge you've gained. Your choices will shape the outcome of each scenario, giving you immediate feedback on your decision-making process. Now, let us imagine that Ria is a customer service representative for a retail company. A customer contacts her upset about a delayed shipment and demands a refund. Her goal is to handle the situation in a way that leaves the customer satisfied and maintains the company's reputation. Let's get into the scenario. Hi Sarah. How may I help you? I ordered a package last week, and it still hasn't arrived. I want a refund immediately. It is unacceptable. From the options given, how should Ria respond? Click on the best option that will help solve the issue. This could solve the problem, but issuing a refund right away might hurt the company's bottom line. Let's see if we can find a better solution. This response is too rigid and may escalate the situation. Customers expect flexibility when problems arise. Great choice. By acknowledging the issue and offering to investigate, you're showing the customer that their concern is being taken seriously. After selecting option A, the system provides additional details. You check the order and find that there was a system error causing the delay. The customer is eligible for expedited shipping at no extra charge. How do you proceed? Now, from the options given, how should Ria respond? Click on the best option that will help solve the issue. The customer left the interaction unsatisfied due to your lack of empathy and flexibility. They may not return to your company in the future. The customer left the interaction unsatisfied due to your lack of empathy and flexibility. They may not return to your company in the future. Congratulations! You resolved the customer's issue effectively, and they were pleased with the expedited shipping. Your approach maintained customer loyalty and reflected well on the company. Always acknowledge the customer's concerns and apologize for any inconvenience. Offer solutions that balance customer satisfaction with the company's policies. Keep communication open, transparent, and respectful throughout the interaction. For any technical, non-technical and academic course developments, feel free to contact Alvin Design Technologies. The contact details are shown on the screen. Thank you.